Topan ahon phalsak hunnuam zangdinga hong pai khom kaunau te teng teng navekun akwaveina tangmai festival chibai kahon bu kahi. Respected Honorable MLA Lunglei North Assembly Constituency Puvi Malsom Tuanga, Vice Chairman High Power Committee Lunglei Mizoram, special invitees, respected elders, esteemed organizers of this festival, ladies and gentlemen. Before I go into my topic, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the organizers for inviting me at such festival that celebrate one of the traditional food, tangmai, a humble gift of nature that keeps us healthy. In fact, I am delighted to share these very interesting facts on the health benefit of cucumber, a nutritional powerhouse. To get a closer look at its origin, cucumber is an ancient crop that originated from the Himalayan foothills of India and has been cultivated for over 3,000 years before it spread across the world through ancient trade routes to become one of the most consumed crops of the world. This versatile vegetable, botanically a fruit, is packed with water, vitamins, vital nutrients, playing a massive role in both human health and the booming agricultural economy of regions like Manipur. There are hundreds of cucumber varieties, which are broadly classified into two main groups, namely slicing variety meant for fresh consumption and pickling variety meant for preservation. When we think about superfoods, our minds often jump to exotic berries, leafy greens, or expensive seeds. Yet, sitting quietly in our refrigerators is a humble, unsung hero, the humble cucumber. Incorporating this into your daily routine is one of the best decisions you can make for your physical and mental well-being. It is nature's simplest and most refreshing snack, often the one we overlooked the most. Unlike the farm, crispy, crunchy varieties common in other regions, Churachandpur cucumber are known for its exceptionally soft, tender, and juicy taste. And it is celebrated across Manipur for their highly distinct texture and taste, and has historically served as one of the most sought-after refreshing snack for the local communities, which is worth every penny. Coming to its nutritional values of cucumber, mention may be made of the following 7 points. First, exceptional hydration. Being 95% water, cucumber helps in maintaining your daily food needs and lower your body temperature, especially during hot summers. Second, rich in antioxidant, anti-inflammatory compounds. Beyond the water content, cucumbers are packed with antioxidants, molecules that actively scan our bodies for free radicals, unstable molecules that cause oxidative stress and cellular damage. Over time, this oxidative stress can lead to chronic conditions like cancer, heart diseases, autoimmune disorders, and cucumber indirectly helps in preventing these damages, as it contains specific antioxidants like flavonoids, tannins, and a unique class of compounds called cucurbitacins. Research suggests that these cucurbitacins may hold anti-cancer properties by inhibiting the reproduction of cancer cells. So, by eating cucumber, especially with the peel on, you are providing your body with a daily shield against these harmful oxidative processes. Third, support heart health. Your cardiovascular system will thank you every time you consume cucumber because they are an excellent source of magnesium and potassium, two minerals that are crucial for regulating blood pressure. As we are aware that high blood pressure is a leading contributor to heart diseases and stroke, potassium in cucumbers help balance the sodium in your body, easing tension in your blood vessel walls and lowering hypertension risk. Furthermore, the fiber found in cucumber helps reduce LDL or bad cholesterol by binding to it in the gut and safely removing it from your system. Fourth, aids digestion and gut health. If you struggle with digestive problems, cucumber can offer you natural relief. The high water content softens stool and prevents constipation by keeping your digestive tract moving smoothly. Additionally, cucumber contains dietary fiber, particularly a type of soluble fiber called pectin that helps bulk up your stool and also feeds beneficial bacteria in your gut. Acting as a natural prebiotic, this supports healthy microbiome, which is strongly linked to a robust immune system and better overall health. Fifth, helps with weight management. For those looking to shed a few pounds or maintaining a healthy weight, cucumbers are an ideal dietary staple because they are almost entirely water and are incredibly low in calories. Sixth, boost bone and joint health. Many people are unaware that cucumbers are a fantastic source of vitamin K, which is absolutely vital for maintaining strong and healthy bones. It aids in bone metabolism, helping your body absorb calcium properly and reducing the risk of bone fracture and osteoporosis. Moreover, cucumber contains silica, a mineral that supports connective tissues and may help alleviate joint discomfort associated with inflammation. Seventh, promotes radiant skin and eye health. While we focus on what cucumbers do inside the body, their external benefits are just as impressive. The high water content, coupled with a healthy dose of vitamin C, helps moisturize the skin and promotes glowing complexion. You have probably seen people placing cucumber slices over their eyes in spas. Well, there is real science behind this practice. That is, topical application of cucumber slices over the eyes reduce swelling and redness through two main mechanisms. The first, the cold temperature naturally causes blood vessels to constrict and lower the skin temperature, which in turn temporarily restricts the widened blood vessels responsible for puffiness and dark circles. Second, the natural astringent compounds and silica help tighten the skin and shrink pores, further reducing visible redness. And in fact, the peel of cucumber is where most of its nutrients, fiber and antioxidants are stored. As mentioned, cucumber peel is rich in soluble fiber, which aids digestion and prevents constipation. Keeping the skin on gives you 49 micrograms of vitamin K per cucumber, which is essential for bone strength, blood clotting. Peel cucumbers contained only half of this amount. The peel of cucumber is packed with beta-carotene, vitamin A, an antioxidant vital for eye health and vision protection. The peel is highly concentrated in silica, a natural compound that strengthens skin cells, combats inflammation, and supports collagen production. All these facts proved that cucumber is really a nutritional powerhouse that supports almost every facet of human health. Whether you are aiming to improve your cardiovascular health, manage your weight, soothe your digestive system, or simply achieve a better, more hydrated skin, this humble fruit has something to offer. So, the next time you are planning a meal or looking for a healthy snack, I encourage you to reach for cucumber. It is a simple, cost-effective, delicious way to invest in your long-term health. Finally, hosting such festival which centered around cucumber to celebrate unity through tradition and culture is a brilliant and successful concept, a fantastic initiative indeed. So, all credit to the Young Paite Association for starting this event. Kudos to YPA General Headquarters and its constituent units. Ole, kan khwal zom put loang ale, kan special invitees den, min lo she thiam sela, fang ma thana kan soi te kha, kan zawaya, mei chenau pang thlenga kan trang kai pui be sein, pai te trongin karon soi ve thonganga. Atam zo ten toy gen te thei siam ding himale hang, tang mai hoi na kha, I thei thagle, an hoi lote la hi manina, I hoi pi, I phat tuam pi chia ding de ina to kahon thual thak zek ding o. Bul sui na tung to na anaki chiam te danin. Tang mai hi India gam Himalaya tang bula kum sang thumwal paita anaki chinga. Khovel ki sumdon to namasa lampi te hon zuya. Khovel pum piakine tampen pola hong pang hai chiga khat anahia. Atung lamin me laka simtel anahima le sing le lo lam sui siam ten theiga ahi anachiu ahi tang mai hoina tampi itaglat utte laka sagi kahon taglang dinga khanna tang mai kha igen taksa bangin za som kwalenga tui hi manin taksa ni teng tui poimo hon pedinga ahoi bana taksa vot sakahi manin kholum san lai tak banga nek dinga hoi ma hai ga hi ni na tang main antioxidant le anti-inflammatory compounds ichite tang maya om manin nan na ipo khyang ma kumlui ana swang man sek cancer bang ahi kele nung tang nan na tuam te le taksa anat na do tu hadlo sak thei te apanin indirect takin hon veng thei hi wayom dan tu tang maya antioxidant chituam tak flavonoids le tannins kichite bana compound chituam mama cucurbitacins kichi om ahi tel suimi te gen danin hiai cucurbitacins in cancer om sakthei te sel te itaksa sunga apunding veng ahi manin hoi taka tang mai ahong to nanek zel le นันนาหอยเสตกาปนาบิดดิ้งอาโพหอยตักกิปยาอีฮีจิดานวยฮีทุมนาตั้งไม้ลุงตั้งจิดำนาเลงอฮีตั้งไม้นันเอกเต็งอินเป่าเทหิเลนาลุงตั้งเลสิกุยจามเต้นกิปะทุหนเกนกีเกดิ้งวะฮีกิจิฮิอัลฮีอาเซียกะฮีเลตั้งมายาสิสันกิวิอัลเลเตไปหอยสังนาดีงาปอยโมมาโพแทสเซียมและแมกนีเซียมกิจิอมาอีเทเจียซาบังอินบีพีสางินลุงตั้งนัดนาเลสโตรกตันพาตุนเทยหิมันินตั้งมายาโพแทสเซียมอมเปนินอีตักซาโซเดียมอมเตหอยตะกาบาเลนซันนาบอลินอีสิกุยาสิสันไปตัวเตกิผู้บวยโลวาดามากิวิอัลเลดิ้งอินอันปันเปียหวายินบีพีอาสันดิ้งเวงฮีหวายบานาตั้งมายาไฟเบอร์อมิน LDL อิจิฮิมเบดคอเลสเตอรอลอิจิฮิมสิกุยาท้าวหอยเหลาเตกิลปีละมาอันนนขี้ยินไดเลนนั่นละมาไปเขสกาท้าวเสียเกียมสักกิจิฮีอลีนาตั้งมาอินอันไฮจานนาเลกิลปีจิดำสักฮีไว้เสียกินกิลปีฮัดเล่าบ่อยปีเตียดิ้งอินตั้งมาอินฮอนปันปีเทอฮีอตุยไปมานาอินไดเลนนวมสักา soluble fiber pectin kichi pen gilpia prebiotic an apangin gilpia an hai zan tu panpin hik phatwam te kining ching tak a om theina dingin choma hiai hik phatwam ten tak sanan na om sak thei hik dang tia kipana i tak saveng tu immunity system ichi nan na do tu suhatin tak sapumpi dam theina tan pha hat sak dinginปันปีพบานฮีงานาตั้งไม่กิกนาเอ็ดไกนาดีงานเนกหอยตักฮีตักสกิกนาจิดำหอยตักเมนเทนอูนมีนาฮีเลตั้งไม่หอยตักินเนกีเกเลจินอตุยไปเสียกินแคลอรี่โตมากิลวาสักปะปะฮีมันินพัตวามมาดิงฮีกุกนากูเลกูตัวเตจิดำนามีตัมปีเตนอินทเทโลตุตั้งมายากูเลกูกิจบตัวนาเตจิดำนาดีงาปอยโมเป็นวิตามินเคอาอมลำอะเฮมีหิงตักษาแคลเซียมลลูตาอาปอยโมนาบังตะกจัดเทดีงาอิสุงาอนาบอลตูวิตามินเคอะเฮมันินตั้งมายอนาหอยมาเฮสกีนาวุนวักสักเลมิดจิดำสักตั้งมายินอิสุงลำมาพัดตัวมนาอหนนับยักเตกียฮิโลวินพอละมาดีงาพัดตัวมนาอหนเปียกหอยนาอหนเปียกเทเลงอันไม่ตัวเราเฮเกนเซลเลงตุยไปมาหิมันินและวิตามินซีกินิงจิงตักอมเสียกินตั้งมาอินวุนจิดำสักเกียทำเราอินวุนวักสักฮีกิจิฮีสปาของตั้งไม่ปัญจิกาตามิดของอาเบลุน้ำมูเงยุกะกิงตาไวเลง scientific ตะกะเสียกในอันฮีอะฮีตั้งไม่วดนาอินมิดกีมาสิกุยเตเทปสกามิดบอกเลมิดกีมดุบดิ้งเวงบานา natural astringent compound silica กิจิตั้งมายาอมเปนินวุนกิกากสกาวุนวัง pores กิจิเตเนวสกินวุนลังมามสกีบานาอดิกเลลเกนินตัวอีเกนหอยนาเตเต็งอสุงลำสางินอหงะตามอมโซกิจิฮีกิลปีฮัดสักเลเอคัลดิ้งเวงตู insoluble fiber เลงตั้งหมายหงะอตามโซอมอหงโตพุ่มขัดตั้งหมายนันเอกเต็งอินวิตามินเคไมโครกรัมสมลีเล็กว่าเซลเนคอมนะฮีจีไอเกนเป็นเลงอหงะอตามโซอมฮีบานาบีตาแคโรทีนวิตามินเออิจิมิดเลมูเทนาจิดำสักเลงอหงะอตามโซอมฮีวุนจิดำสักดิ้งเลวักสักดิ้งปอยโมมาคอลลาเจนอนาบอลตูซิลิกาอะฮียาไว้ natural compound อิจิเลงอหงะอมตามโซฮียายบังเตงาตักษาหอยนาดิ้งหอยนาตั้มปีไปตั้งไม่เป็นอันนั้นไงคนเราเต้นเลงเนตาอินอันนั้นเซลเต้นเลงลิมเนกทักเลเชียอีกิได้สักทูกะหนเกนมาลำบานาอีเฮาตุเต้น tang mai festival chia ngei na le tung ton dan tung to na kipum khan na tuble ngi ma nei ko ma gel siam taka anatel hiaku zosuan ten ipu pakhangwa kipana ina chi na ina nek tang mai telfu kasa a amau te zana lian pi pe komin hi tengin ka hon zo bol dinga. And I shall conclude my speech with an appeal that just as we celebrate Tang Mai today, to celebrate good health in our daily life, let us eat healthy, stay healthy, and make our community strong. Let this joyous Tang Mai festival strengthen the bonds of brotherhood and weave us tightly together as one people. And as we look forward to growing this beautiful tradition, let this Tang Mai festival stand as a symbol of our shared roots and unbreakable unity. Once again, I thank the Honorable MLA, other dignitaries, the organizers for this opportunity, and thank you all. Kakipake.